In this video, how to deploy MSIXBUNDLE files using Win32 app in Microsoft Intune. Intune supports deploying MSIXBUNDLE file format directly using the line of business app type. But in this video, I will show you how to deploy an MSIXBUNDLE package using the Win32 app type. Using the Win32 app type, advanced features such as requirements, detection rules, dependencies, and supersedence can be implemented. For example, I will deploy the Translucent TB app using Intune. The next step is creating some folders for Intune package creation. For example, I will create them in the D drive. Before you can add the app to Microsoft Intune, you must prepare the app by using the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool. The tool converts application installation files into the Intune Win format. Download the Microsoft Win32 Content Prep tool from the official Microsoft GitHub repository. Extract the downloaded zip file to your computer. We just need the prep tool, so let's copy it to the Intune folder that we've created in the previous step. Make sure the file INTUNEWIN is located at the same level as the input and output folders. Now, rename the downloaded file to setup.msixbundle, then copy it to the input folder that you've created in the previous steps. In the input folder, we need to create some PowerShell scripts for the app deployment. For the install script, we will use the addax package command to install the MSIXBUNDLE file. Navigate to the File menu, then select Save as option to save the script. Don't forget to save it with the .ps1 file extension. For example, I will save it as install.ps1. Now is the Uninstall PowerShell script. The script will stop the app if it's running. Wait for 10 seconds to remove the app. In the Uninstall script, you need to find the process name and app name of your app. To find the app name, you can manually install the app on a test computer. Once installed, let's open PowerShell and run this command. The command will list all installed app packages on the test computer. To find the process name, let's open the app, then run the getProcess command to find the process name. Save the uninstall script. For example, I will save it as uninstall.ps1. Finally, the detection script uses the getApps package command to check if the app is installed and reports the corresponding exit code. Save the detection script. For example, I will save it as detection.ps1. At this moment, you can see the structure of the Intune folder. All files and folders in the input folder will be compressed into a .intune file format. After the conversion, the final Intune package will be saved into the output folder. Now, open the Intune Win app util. This will open a new window. First, you need to enter the path of the input folder as the source folder, and the full path of any file in the input folder. For example, I will use the install script as reference. And the path of the output folder for generated Intune Win file. Press Enter to continue. The tool will create an Intune package, then close automatically. You can go to the output folder to verify the package has been created. Finally, log into the Intune Admin Center and add a new Windows app deployment. From the drop-down menu, select the app type as Windows App Win32. For the app package file, select the output Intune Win file generated in the output folder. In the app information page, specify the information as required, such as name of the Intune app, a description for the app, and name of the publisher. Optionally, you can upload a logo for the app by selecting an image file. This logo is displayed with the app when users browse through the company portal. We recommend specifying the logo here because it makes it easy for users to identify the applications via the logo. In the program page, we need to enter the install and uninstall commands for the app. An important step: change the installation behavior from system to user context, as this app type supports installation only in the user context. On the requirements page, you can specify prerequisites that the managed devices must meet before the app is installed, such as the device architecture, minimum OS version, disk space, and more. Detection rules allow you to check if the app is already installed on the managed devices. You can either use a custom detection script or a manually configured detection rule. In this video, we'll use a custom detection script rule type. For the script file, browse to the detection PowerShell script that you've created in the input folder. Keep all other settings as default, then click Next. In this page, you can define software dependencies and specify apps that must be installed before the app can be deployed. Additionally, you can configure supersedes to directly update or replace an older version of the app. On the assignments page, decide how to deploy the app. For required deployments, the app will be force installed on specified groups or devices. For available deployments, the app will appear in the company portal, allowing users to install it when they need without the administrative right. Use the Uninstall deployment option if you want to remove the app from the managed devices automatically. You can select Add All Devices or All Users option to deploy the app to all managed devices, but it's recommended to test the deployment on a small group of devices before deploying it organization-wide. In this page, you can also filter devices for deployment, configure end-user notifications, and app installation deadline. Review your settings and click Create. If you see the message, your app is not ready yet, wait for the content upload to finish. After a few minutes, you'll receive confirmation that the upload is complete and the deployment is active. To verify the app deployment, log into a managed device and allow time for the system to sync. You can manually trigger a sync from the Windows settings, the company portal, or by restarting the computer. As you can see, Intune is downloading and installing the app, and the app has been successfully installed automatically. In the Intune portal, you can monitor the deployment status on the overview page, where you'll see a graphical breakdown such as devices with successful installations, devices still installing, and any errors encountered. Please note that the deployment status may take some time to report in the Intune Admin Center. Please be patient. If the app is no longer needed, you can modify its deployment settings in Intune to uninstall it automatically. Go to the Properties section and edit the assignments. Remove the group from the required section and add it to the Uninstall section. Wait for the sync to complete, and the app will automatically be removed from target devices. Alternatively, when deploying an app using Intune, you can set it as available for enrolled devices. This allows users to manually install the app via the company portal. For such scenarios, users can log into the company portal and install the app themselves. As you can see, the app will not be installed automatically. Instead, users can decide when they want to install the app manually from the company portal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.